Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at Leetcode question 771, joules and stones. It's a relatively straightforward question, but first, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do that. So basically, the idea behind this question is we have J and S, and these are essentially just strings, but we want to know how many distinct stones are in S, essentially. So basically we need to figure out how many of the J stones are in S. So we can do that by um, setting up a count that will count how many of the J stones are in S. So how we do that is for stone in S, because this is the stones we want to look through and see how many of these stones are J stones. If that stone, if stone in J. So we iterate through S. So A, we see that yes, it's in J. So we're gonna add one to the count, and then we're gonna move on to A, and we see that this is also in J. So we add one to the count. So now we're at count 2, and then we iterate through here, and then we see that this is also in J. So now we know that we have counts at 3. So now we know that 3 stones. But all of these are not in J. So basically, it just passes right through. And then if we return the count, should give us 3. Yep. Yep. And so I think these are all very similar questions. So it's just really the runtimes vary so much on Leetcode. But this is the most simplest way to solve this question. Thanks for tuning in, and please like and subscribe.